What's up, fam? It's your girl, Nikki All Day, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my aloe vera hair growth oil. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Okay, here's everything I'll be using today for this aloe vera hair growth oil. We have the aloe vera leaf itself. That's all the goodness on the inside. Gotta get all of that out. I'm going to be using some extra virgin olive oil. Of course, you have to have the coconut oil. I have grapeseed oil. I have sweet almond oil. I have some castor oil. And I have some vitamin E. And I'm going to be using now lemon essential oil and spa. These two together smell so good. I don't know if you can see it, but spa. And I got it. It comes in this collection right here. I got this from Amazon. So now I'm going to show you how I prepare this aloe vera leaf. I'll be right back. Okay guys, now I'm going to get started. I've already cleaned this. Make sure you clean this part really good. Get all that excess dirt out of there. And I've cut off the thorns because they can be real sticky. And they will stick you. So make sure you cut that off. Now I'm going to start slicing. I'm going to get all that goodness up out of there. All of that good stuff. That's the gel right there. And I'm going to use the green part just so my oils right here can be infused inside of the aloe vera gel. Well, this can be infused inside of the oils I'm using. So I'm going to get started. And I have a pot right here in my sink. I have a pot right here in my sink to put everything in for when I'm done. Then I'm going to put it on the stove. I'm going to add my oils in it. And I'm going to let it start to cooking. Not cooking, but you know. Look at all of that. That's the good stuff you want. That's the gel you want. And this stuff will dissolve inside of the oils once it gets warm. So I'll be right back. So what I like to do is take a knife and cut all of that gel out. This is what you get. And it's going to dissolve in the oils once it starts heating up. Careful, this stuff is really slippery. See, look at that. You can stick your nails in it like that or poke it with a knife and the gels will come out even more. And that's what you want to do. much to get all your gel off. Remember, I'm going to put these in the oil too, just so it can be infused in the oils I'm going to be using. Very simple, anybody can do it. You can even slice like that so the gel can come out. See how it's coming out more? Yeah. Put some gloves on too if you want to, because it is real slippery. I know it looks nasty, but hey, it's all good. Now I have 2 more of these leaves because I'll be making a lot of them, a lot of this oil. So I won't show me cutting the other ones open on camera. This is just how, I'm just showing you this little demonstration of how I do it. See, this is what you're getting on the inside. This is the gel. This will dissolve in the oil once it starts to warm up. So I'm going to continue this and I'll be right back. Okay guys, now I'm ready to start the process of making my aloe vera hair growth oil. I have all my ingredients over here, so I'm going to start. You turn some fire on. It's on a medium, low to medium heat. I'm going to add in my aloe vera gel. Don't worry about this. This will dissolve. Once the oil starts heating up, it will dissolve. And that's how you will get your aloe vera hair growth oil. So I'm going to add in this coconut oil. All my now solution products from Amazon, and the essential oils and the vitamin E oil and the castor oil. I get most of my products from Amazon. Half cup of the grapeseed oil. Half cup of the sweet almond oil. I don't have that much castor oil left, but it's a little left, so I'll just add this in whatever I have left. I'll be adding 1/3 of vitamin E oil. 1/3. Once this warms up and the aloe vera gel starts to dissolve, I will let it cool. I'm gonna let it sit for about 12 hours. So the oil can really infuse into the aloe vera. And then I'll be adding my essential oils, which is lemon and spa. So when it is all dissolved and warmed up, I'll be back to show you the results. I got to add in my argan oil. So that's 1/3 of that. See how it's dissolving? That's what you want. All this will be dissolved into the oil. And here's my aloe vera hair growth oil.